Alright guys, so this is supposed to be an unboxing video and I am very upset at myself because all this while I was unboxing this item, I never hit record. For some reason I thought I was recording and I've completely unboxed this camera only to realize that I didn't click the record button. So I'm actually recording this video from the DJI Action 5 Pro. Now I know I'm late into the game. However, the reason for that is because I wanted to try this camera out. This camera has been out now for about a year, but I wanted to try it out myself before I push the trigger to purchase this item. And now that I have completely tried it out, I decided to go ahead and make the purchase. Unfortunately, I unboxed this whole item without actually clicking record, but it doesn't stop me anyway from going ahead to show you guys what I got here. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. In this kit, you do have the carrying case that comes with the Pocket 3. This is the camera itself. This is the Osmo Pocket 3 camera. It is really, really nice, very small. I like the feel of this camera. It does feel a little bit, man, I don't know. It's kind of scary. It feels like you don't want, this is something you don't want to drop. I'll just tell you that right now. You don't want to drop this camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. I will set this up later. But that is the camera. That's what you get. Also in the camera, in the case, you do have this carrying case that comes with the camera. You have a wide angle lens. This wide angle lens is magnetic, so you can store that right there in the case if you need to. And if you have to use it as well, you can just, it connects magnetically, so you can just have it on there like that. Via the magnet, and it's on there. So this is a 0.75 15mm lens. So I'm definitely going to make a second video, a follow-up video showing how all of this operates. And also in this box you do have a little handle right here, because this is a very small tiny camera, so it comes with a handle that lets you just get extended grip. That way you have a little bit of more grip on this camera. In addition to that, you have the battery. So this is the extra battery pack. This is one of the reasons why I actually purchased the Creator Combo, and that's because you do get a lot more in this combo. So you have the carrying case, you have the handle, you have the wide angle lens, which I'm just going to store that right there right now. You have the battery pack, you have a little tripod that you can see this on as well. The tripod does not connect directly to the camera. I wish it did, but the charging port is right there for the camera, which is a USB-C. So to use the tripod, you have to either use the battery pack or you use the extended handle. This extended handle is not a battery, it's just an handle, that's all it is. This is actually the battery pack. In addition to that, you have a lanyard that you can attach to the camera, to the Pocket 3. You have a microphone. This is the DJI Mic 2. And this, I really love how tiny and how small this is. I've used this before in the past. And I'm happy that it comes with this Creator Combo. Honestly, it is a bargain to get the Creator Combo. You have the dead cat. Yeah, you have the dead cat, and this is to prevent the wind. So if you're in a noisy area, you can use the dead cat, and it helps you, cut down on the wind noise. It also comes with a magnetic clip that you can just click on that right there, and this helps you attach to your jacket, your clothes, your tees, whatever it is you have on, wherever you want to have it onto. And finally, you have your USB-C cable for charging. This is C to C. I do like this carrying bag as well. So it comes with a small little cute carrying bag where you can store all of these items in. But gosh, I hate that I did not click record when I was unboxing all of this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna switch over to the Osmo Pocket 3. I actually already set this camera up, that way we don't have to go through the boring process of doing so. But before I do that, I just want you guys to appreciate, how nice looking this DJI Mic 2 really looks. Like, this thing is beautiful, guys. Like, you can see that it's really nice. Whoever did this design, I love the transparent design. I will probably, oh, you guys can let me know in the comments below if you want me to review this microphone. But I really do like the work they've put into building this product right here. Also, you have again the tripod. It is DJI branded as well, and I think they do spend some decent amount of time with making sure that their product looks and feels really nice. The only thing is the camera itself kind of feels flimsy, and again, it has a built-in gimbal, so I guess that explains why. You can see right here, this is the wide angle lens, and this actually just snaps on right there with magnet, or you can snap it on directly to the camera when you actually decide to use the wide angle lens like that. And there you go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this on, and I'm gonna switch my recording to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and there you have me right there. And now I have transitioned over to this camera. So guys, hey, look, listen, I look rough right now. I'm just so excited about this camera, and I really want to make this video very quickly. But yeah, so this is what it looks like when you actually record. I'm actually recording in D-Log, D-Log M color profile, which this is actually going to be color graded. But again, what comes out straight out of the camera also looks very good. I'll probably throw some B-roll somewhere around here in just a moment. But the main reason why I purchased this Osmo Pocket 3 is because of the low light performance. And as you can see, this camera does very well in low light. This is something I really I've been looking forward to. I had a DJI Action 4, and it struggled a lot in low light. And so when the Action 5 was released, I went ahead, that was I think like 2 months ago, I went ahead and purchased that. And while it's better than the Action 4, I don't really, I'm still not that pleased. I don't really like the image quality when it comes to low light, how it actually handles low light. Now again, it's better, it's far better than the Action 4, but not as good as this Osmo Pocket 3, and this has been out for about a year ago. So I'm going to show you guys my setup real quick here. So guys, bear with me. This is my little studio right here. So hey, look, I got to make it work, okay? But it is my micro YouTube setup, and this is what we have going on over here. So I'm gonna go back and transition over to, well, hold on, let me show you this camera right here. So this is the DJI Action 5 Pro. This is the one that has been shooting this video the whole time. The audio you're actually getting right now is from the DJI Pocket 3. So this is a straight out audio from the DJI Pocket 3. Let me see if I can show you guys the camera right there. So that's what the camera looks like. But then again, if you want to see a review of that camera, guys, let me know in the description below, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over to the DJI Action 5 Pro. So guys, yeah, now I have switched it back on to the Action 5 Pro, and now I can go ahead and cut this off. I do like this camera. It's very portable, easy to use. I mean, this is a camera that is, you don't have to know anything about videography, photography. You just point and shoot. Now, I like to shoot in D-Log M. However, the image quality that comes straight out of this camera is fantastic. So you really don't have to know how to, color grade or anything like that. But guys, I will do a more in-depth video on this camera. So if you want to see that, please go ahead and subscribe. That way you get notified once I upload that video. Also, I'll be making a comparison video between the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and a new DJI Action 5 Pro right here. But yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. I will be following up with an update on how this camera performs. Also, I am actually testing and making this video using the DJI Action 5 Pro. So guys, please let me know about this video. The video quality and the audio you're actually getting from this video is directly from the DJI Action 5 camera as well. So I don't have any microphones added. I'm not using any external microphones. I'm using built-in microphone that comes directly from the DJI Action 5 Pro. So I also will try to compare both cameras side by side to kind of help you guys make the buying decision between those cameras. I will see you in the next videos. Peace.